Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. I'm going to try to run through this one really quick. Oh, I left the door open. Pardon me. Trying to run through this really quick. I've got a package coming. I have a new computer coming today, and I don't want to interrupt the video because somebody's knocking at the door. And I definitely want to be hearing somebody knocking at the door. So, yeah, I'm stoked. Woohoo! Anyways, I've got one here. This one's from China. This is by, I believe it's Uni President. This is a fermented black soybean paste, rather. And it's spicy. So, and it's dry. So it sounds pretty neat. I don't believe I've ever had anything with this exact flavor to it, so this is going to be kind of an interesting go, as it were. So let's see what we got here. We have the noodle block. We have the vegetables. We have a sauce that will go on at the end. And we have a bowl, and we have boiling water. Absolutely boiling water. And we're going to give that a good 4 minutes, I think. Starting now. And I've got a few... Oh, I need more boiling water. This isn't good. I wonder if we can pull it off. Let's see. I just need a little more boiling water. That should boil in that time. Gonna get resourceful. See, the less water you have, the quicker it'll come to a boil. Right? Isn't that the idea? 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on the counter. Come on, boil. I better not watch the pot or it will never boil, as they say. Yeah, it's just kind of crazy because it's like I don't want to miss this package. I don't have to lug it back from the office either, and it's coming FedEx, and FedEx is always a lot of fun. So yeah, man, there's a lot of come here you there. There's a lot of steam coming up from this bowl, and I don't want to get the camera too moist before it's time. Let's see. I feel the water in the pot is becoming boiling-ish. It's thinking about it. I'm going to chuck in mung bean sprouts. As well as, oh yeah, Chinese sausage. And I'm in a quandary. I only have 2 minutes and 3 seconds left. What do I do? I have another ingredient that I was thinking of adding. Actually, I have two more. One is spring onion. I just tossed that on the top. No biggie. Another thing that's kind of difficult about the doing the show and listening for a knock at the door, and I wrote on the thing, knock like you're the cops. So that should help as long as the driver has read what I wrote. Often you'll like leave instructions in the thing and they just don't give a crap. They're like, huh, what? And you can complain, but that's kind of pointless as well. I've had more than our fair share, actually, of trying to get some kind of recompense for ridiculous stuff. I mean, a package, and I want to guess it was FedEx that delivered it. A big 8 terabyte external hard drive, chucked it onto the top step because I heard it come up. And then I like opened the door, and then it turned out that was the same package I got for Father's Day from my wife. So it's just like, it's like, stop hiring like high school students. I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be ageist. It's really not. I mean, I know plenty of non-lazy high school students, that's for sure. Actually, I can't really think of any high school students that I know, other than the people that, you know, work at the grocery store and bag your groceries. But yeah, anyways, it's just like, come on. If you get a job, do your job, do it right. I guess that's, I don't know, too much to ask these days. And coming up on the 0 hour, and it's 0 hour right now. Oh, I didn't even grab a bowl. I've totally screwed myself. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put this in here. And yeah, I've totally screwed myself. What am I doing? I need another one. Luckily, I have another one. And I should have worn a different shirt. But anyway. Alright, noodles appear to be noodling. Instead of using theirs, I'm going to use mine. Good enough. Back into Pat. Now I'm going to add that funky sauce. It's funky. It says it's spicy. I'm curious. I'm excited. Got this up at a place called Foodie World up in Canada. And if you ever go to Richmond, BC up in Canada, definitely stop by Foodie World. It's a neat place. It's big. And they basically represent every single corner of Asia with the products they have there. It's pretty cool. I'm not so sure about Mongolia. I've had this flavor before. Big time. I guess it was probably marketed under a different name. But this is a very familiar taste. It's spicy. And it's almost like salty vinegary. Oh, it's fermented. So, but yeah. And it's hot in here because I have the AC like way down so it's quiet. So I can hear the knock at the door. Alright, let's take a look. Looks pretty... Look in there. Can you see that? Let's see. Kinda. Well, let's give it a try. Noodle. Large piece of vegetable matter. Well, that was weird. That's my professional opinion on that one. That was weird. We're gonna stir it up. That's pretty much what I got for you today on this one, except a little sprank. I'm gonna find a good device out of the cupboard for it to lay on. Now the ballet, the delicate ballet that is trying to figure out which one to go with and then trying to get everything put back in a happy nature. I try not to use ones that I've used too recently. This will go good for the next review. You with the, what do you call it? The edges. You will do it. Scalloped edges, I believe. Cool. There. So, let's have a look down here. How we looking? Oh, it doesn't want to. Oh, you need to be turned around completely. There you go. There we go. Let's even make it even more perfect. There, perfection. Alright. Oh, crap. Crap on a stick. Anyways, perfection down the toilet. Pretty hot in here, I swear. I just made my eggs for the week. It's a Monday currently. I don't know what day you think it is, but for me, it's Monday. Whatever day you think it is, it's that day, most likely. Oh, look at that. And onion. And you know me, I freaking love my onions, so crispy onions. Oh, look at that. That's a mound of love right there. Yeah. I'd eat that. I most certainly would. Oh. Anyways, well, if you enjoyed that thoroughly, boy howdy, go look at this junk over there. Look at that stuff. That stuff will freaking blow your mind. God. So, alright, well, this has been Hans, the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, and this was one from China, and yeah, have a good one. Bye.